20-year-old Srijan Singh wants to start SIP in mutual funds for his retirement planning. So how should he proceed with a 40-year investment plan?
Well, I'd say that he should not worry about too much about getting a perfect plan right now. What's critical for him at this stage is to just get started. So I'd suggest that in case he is a taxpayer at this point in time, he can look at one or two good ELSS funds, the equity linked saving schemes or the tax saver funds as they are known as, and start an SIP in them. If he's not a taxpayer, then he can go for a couple of good aggressive hybrid funds and start an SIP in them. What's important at this stage is to remain disciplined and continue with this SIP through the ups and downs of the market. It is likely that in the right at the start, in these initial years, the returns may not match up to his expectations, but that should not deter him, and he should really stay the course. And that's what's most critical. Also, he should look to increase his SIP amounts with the increase in his income levels over the next few years. And he should really leave the job of doing a more nuanced goal-based planning for 2 3 years down the line. Once he's got a first-hand experience of equity investing, once he starts appreciating the way equity markets work, probably that's a stage when he can think of a more nuanced planning for himself.